Joseph, are you handling the list?
Yes.
Got a big list?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's a big list.
I think that's not more.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Selle. Today's video is huge grocery haul. You seem to really like the last one I did, so for all of you that liked it and subscribe, here's another big one for you all. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this and I will make more. We are a family of 3 and we do our grocery shopping every month. We buy pretty much everything from Sam's Club and Walmart. If you are new here to my channel, hello and welcome. I am so happy you're here. My name is Selle. I am a wife and a full-time working mommy of 1. I upload new video every single week about cleaning motivations, home organization, and mom life. If you enjoy watching those kind of videos, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button to join my YouTube family and the notification bell next to it so you won't miss any more of my future uploads. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and joining me in today's video. You are the best and I really do appreciate all your love and support. We are now back home and I am taking everything out of the plastic bag and put them on the kitchen island so I can show you guys better what we got. This is a huge grocery haul, so I hope you enjoy this. We are going to start with beverage. We pick up this Nesquik chocolate milk. It's 15 bottles here. They do sell these at Walmart too, but I think it's only 9 or 12 pieces and it's cheaper at Sam's. And then we pick up this Gatorade too and the water, which is 32 pack. They do sell this at Walmart too, but it's $1 cheaper at Sam's. So if you have Sam's Club card, go get it from there. We also pick up 3 cases of this 36-pack Pepsi. I don't know what's going on with Sam's Club. They haven't had this Pepsi in a while. So when we saw them, we pick up 3 of them and then we'll just cut back for our next grocery trip. I started filming this video talking, but my dog started barking and it was so loud and distracting. So I'm just gonna do voiceover if you're wondering. I do this on most of my grocery haul because of that reason. So here we got the semi-sweet chocolate chips because I am thinking of baking some cookies, so I'm gonna use that. And then I pick up the Skittles, it's my favorite. And then I also pick up this Cadbury Dairy Milk with roasted almonds. This is my favorite chocolate, guys. And then behind here, we got these Hershey's. My husband loves Hershey's. He eats that for snack. And then here is my favorite candy. It's this Werther's Original Soft Caramels. They have chocolate inside. If I'm craving for like caramel macchiato, because that's my favorite drink in Starbucks, I just eat that and I feel like I'm drinking caramel macchiato. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but I eat that when I'm craving for caramel. I also pick up another one of these waffle fries. Super good. Even when it's cold, it's good. So try it. And then we pick up this pepperoni from Sam's Club. They haven't have this in a while. So when we saw it, we grab it because it's a good deal. It's a price of 1 for 2. My husband pick up the sharp cheddar. He eats cheese like nothing. Then my son loves Baby Bells. So we pick those up too. And then all the way up here, we have this chicken breast. If you have seen my other grocery haul, then you know this is a favorite in my house. Everyone loves this. I love this. It's really good, guys. If you haven't tried it, what are you waiting for? Go try it. You will love it and you'll go back for more. It's really delicious. The breading is really good. We love making pasta here, spaghetti or ziti. So we pick up more of this traditional pasta sauce. We use this all the time. It's super easy and delicious. And then back here we have ketchup. My son and I eat ketchup like it's water, so it's better for us to get it in bulk because we run out fast. And then we have fried rice back there. I could not reach it, so I'm gonna go walk all the way back here so I can show you guys better. We picked this up from Sam's Club. My husband loved this. He just put it in the microwave for like 2.5 minutes and it's ready to serve. It's super easy dinner. If you are a VC family, I recommend this. And then we got this beer buttered flavor catfish here. I love fish and these are super good and super easy to cook. They have this in Walmart and Sam's Club. I usually buy my ground pork from Asian store, but I saw this at Walmart. I don't remember seeing this before. So when I saw it, I pick it up because I want to try it. I love ground pork. And then I pick up this thin style ribeye steak from Walmart. I don't know a lot of people that buy their steak from Walmart, but it was actually pretty good, guys. I get this from them because not a lot of store carry the thin kind. And then my husband pick up the Salisbury steak. He really liked this. This 5-cheese bacon macaroni and cheese has been a favorite in our house, so we pick up a couple of them. I also pick up this teriyaki beef udon stir fry kit from Sam's Club. This is really good and super easy to make. It only takes about 12 minutes on the stove. And then back here is my favorite beef pot roast. I put this in the microwave for about 13 minutes and I cook some mashed potato and I have some really good super fast dinner. And then back here we got pulled chicken. I am going to use this for my chicken chili verde. It's going to be delicious and it's already cooked and shredded for me. We got cook ham here at the front for sandwiches and then we pick up this brown sugar and honey breakfast sausage. I don't usually like sausage but I love this breakfast sausage. So if you haven't tried it, go try it. It's really good. We only got one because this is all they have left from Walmart. I don't know what's going on, but they don't have any more. Usually we pick up 3 or 4. And then back here, we got some bacon. We usually buy the Oscar Mayer brand smoked mega pack, but they don't have that right now. So I just pick up what they have. This brand is actually pretty good too if you're looking to buy bacon. But my favorite brand is Oscar Mayer. So I get the smoked mega pack because you get more for less price. And then my husband picked up this fully cooked breakfast sausage patties. It's surprisingly good. I give this for my son when it's breakfast and I don't have a lot of time to cook because you can just put this in the microwave to heat up, but you can also put it on the skillet on the stove. My son loves Spam, so I pick up 3 of these from Walmart because we did run out. I pick up the sweet potato fries again from Walmart. It's super good. It comes with salt, but after I cook it, I would just put white sugar on it and it's super delicious. And then we pick up this chicken carbonara with bacon. This is super good, guys, but it's quite small serving. For 1 package, it's only enough for me and my son, so I grabbed 2 of them for when my husband is home, then we'll cook 2 of them. And then my husband picked up these quick dinners. This one is the sweet and sour chicken. Behind it is the cheesy chicken pasta. And then we got this grated Parmesan cheese here. And then on the back, we have pancake syrup. We also pick up a couple of these turkey gravy because my husband would not eat rice without turkey gravy. And then we have a couple canned good here. We have this green chili and the salsa verde on the bottom because I am going to use them for my chicken chili verde. Here we have some tomato sauce and diced tomato. I'm going to use this for my beef chili because I am craving for it. My husband also picked up this sirloin burger soup. He said he haven't tried this before, so he picked up a couple of them. And then I pick up this Jack Daniel's pulled beef from Walmart. I have tried the pork and the chicken. I really like it, but I haven't tried this beef one, so I pick it up. And then I grab more of this Michelina's frozen dinner. Please let me know if I am pronouncing that right, because I am not sure. I thought it was Michelina's, so I'm saying it that way. I grab this poppin' chicken flavor, and then I also pick up the fettuccine alfredo. And then all the way in the back, I did grab the Wilson cheese. That is my son's favorite. I give this to him for dinner when I am too busy after work or too tired and I don't have time to cook. So he really likes that. So I turned around for a couple minutes and this was in the cart. My husband picked this up. He likes cake. This is the coconut cake. It's from Walmart. And then over here on the side, I pick up more of the little marshmallows. I grab this from Walmart and then I also pick up the big ones. I eat the big ones for snack and then the little ones I use it for my hot cocoa. And then we also pick up this banana nut cream cake. I do like banana cake but I don't like the nuts, so I eat this but not a lot, but my husband would finish all that. And then on the bottom, I have the cheese Danish. My son loves cheese Danish. He eats it for breakfast. I pick up more of these mini swirls chocolate ice cream. It's actually double chocolate and it's a good size for him for when he eats dessert. I pick up more of his ice cream. He usually gets the Neapolitan. It's the strawberry chocolate vanilla flavor, but this time he grabbed the cookies and cream. And then I pick up more of Greek yogurt. It's a strawberry banana. This is the only yogurt I eat. We are all out of bread, so I pick up the cinnamon raisin bread and just the regular sliced bread. And then we also pick up some red onions because we are all out, and I pick up some butter and lemon juice. Over here, we have some strawberry shortcake rolls. I really like this. Walmart has been out of this for a long time, so when I saw them, I got excited and grabbed 4 of them. We pick up a couple dozen of eggs because we do love eggs in this house. And then over here, we have this Fat Boy sandwich ice cream. It's the best deal. Get it from Sam's Club if you have a card rather than at Walmart. Then over here, we have these crackers. My husband loves crackers and we ran out of this one. And then this is the mantecadas. I think that's how you pronounce it. Mantecadas muffin. It's vanilla flavor. It's really good. I don't usually like muffin, but I love that one. And then over here is my favorite ice cream of all time. This is the dulce de leche Häagen-Dazs. More crackers over here. It's the cheddar cheese flavor. My husband eats this at work. And then I pick up a couple of these Naked Mighty Mango Juice. This is really good. I like this one and the strawberry banana flavor. Then all the way back here, we have these chewy dips. I don't always get to eat at work, so when my sugar are low, this is what I eat and I'm good to go. And then I pick up this sour cream, onion, Pringles, and this Memphis barbecue. We love Pringles in this house. My husband loves cashews, so I pick up these cashews. This one is with sea salt. Then over here on the side, we have these little bites. It's those little muffins. My son loves to eat this for snack or when he's on lunch at school. He does virtual school, so when he takes lunch, he eats like snack, brownies or muffin or whatever we have snack in the house. And then over here, we have this Nutty Buddy. My husband loves that, so he picked that up. We also pick up more of these popcorn. We ran out, so we just grab some more to have it in the house because we're always eating popcorn when we're watching movies. I pick up more of Tabasco because I cannot run out of this. And then I also pick up this new flavor. It's the smoked red jalapeno. Actually, it's not new, but it's new to me. I've tried it at work and it was really good, so I bought one for at home. And then my son and my husband, they are obsessed with Pop-Tarts. They eat this for breakfast or snack. I grabbed this from Sam's Club. It's 4 different flavors. It's the best deal rather than getting it from Walmart. So if you do have a club membership, go get it from there because it's cheaper and you get the best deal. And then here we have this breakfast croissant. We always buy this or refill it every time before we run out because this is a favorite in the house. And then that is all that we got food-wise. On the very left side, we pick up some personal and household items. Over here, we have these Cottonall flushable wipes. And then I pick up some liners here. And then I also grab these Neutrogena Moisturizer. I ran out of moisturizer. I use this blue one for at night, and then I use this pink one for morning. My son is almost out of vitamins, so I pick up more of these Flintones gummies, and then my husband pick up this Cetaphil lotion and his bar soap. He never used body wash, so he always used bar soap, and he used the Cetaphil. And then I pick up my allergy pill from Sam's Club. It's the best deal that I found. And there's also Head and Shoulders here. My husband used that. And then we have these paper plates all the way back here. We use these for parties or sometimes even when we're just lazy to wash dishes. And that is everything that we got. I am now just putting everything away and putting them where they belong. Please let me know in the comments down below if you find something interesting that you want to try next for your own grocery shopping trip. I would really like to hear from you. I love reading your comments, so let me know in the comments box if there's something you find that you like to try. I hope you enjoyed this video and find it helpful. I hope you get some good ideas on what to try next when you go grocery shopping soon. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this to your friend to inspire them as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate your time, and I will catch you all again on my next video. Bye!